I can't with the hair.
I love it.
So
it's so good. Wow. Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Nat.
I'm Amanda.
And we are Junkies. And we are here to react to another XG release.
Another one.
All in the same mini album.
Yeah.
This now is Puppet Show. So XG has been releasing music videos from their upcoming EP. And honestly, they've all just fucking been eaten.
Yeah.
Like, we didn't react to New Dance, but I love New
Yeah.
Dance. That song was also fantastic, so I'm excited to see Puppet Show now. It looked kind of interesting from the teaser images. And I feel like XG, their production quality when it comes to their music videos is always so intriguing and interesting that I'm excited to see what they'll show us for this. So, let's go. Boop. Oh my god, are we small?
Are we small or are they big? What are we? Oh, okay.
Oh, interesting. Already very interesting.
We're in Narnia.
That's what it feels like.
Kind of. Period.
God, they just look so, like, the power. The power. Her hair.
Wow. The frosty, like,
Yes.
makeup. Oh my god, her teeth.
Oh my god, it's shark teeth.
I'm scared. No.
I love the styling.
This curly hair is so
I love
cute.
it.
Stop fucking Hinata's hair is so like Dada coated.
It is Dada coded. Why is she?
Wow. Yeah, the makeup is like really enhancing her features.
Oh, 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 oh.
Yeah.
Period, Corona. Period. Not the bye Felicia. Stop.
I can't with the hair.
I love it.
So
it's
good.
so good.
Beat is
Right?
so
It's like, dum, 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 dum. Imagine like the bass just blasting. They all look so like just dolls.
yeah. I mean, welcome to the puppet show.
Period. I just love Chisa and Harvey's hair. Like the curls are so cute. And like this style is just, it's just so them. Like I feel like only they could pull off
Yeah,
something
no,
like
for real.
this.
I just want to know who's coming up with his like design.
The really
Like, the music video,
give him a raise.
outfits,
Give him a raise.
everything.
The creative direction. Honestly, the whole like company just needs a raise. They deserve everything.
The pause in the song.
Those shoes.
Oh jeez.
Interesting. I was like, where are the outfit changes? Got Maya, the super eatery.
Super frosty. Look.
Even the set though is so nice. Ooh, her hair?
Okay. God, I love you, dude. My little alien.
Mother. Starring. Oh, here's the, who's the creative?
Oh,
Oh,
I can't
this is
see
all in white.
anything. It's all white font.
Okay,
Creative
well,
visual team.
all those people deserve.
Yeah, like, yeah. So
Raises.
yeah, I love you're like trying to look. You're like, okay, but all of y'all.
Well, this doesn't make sense why they made it white. You can't really read
It's
it.
for
Not
the
that people
aesthetic,
really read
Natalie.
the credits, but
It's the aesthetic.
look at that. All these people. Slay, all of you. When destiny and galaxies align. Ooh. The lore? This looks like a painting you would hang in your house.
That's a good way to like subtly put K-pop in your
But
house.
even this puppet show? Wow.
Well, it's not K-pop, but you know what I mean.
Wow.
Wow.
Wow. Oh?
Just keeps going. Oh, that's the
New DNA.
Ah.
Wow.
Wow.
Wow. Just XG once again proving their uniqueness and how they are the only ones that can pull off what they pull off. Like the music, the styling, everything. I just feel like it's so them that I just can't imagine another group doing.
I feel like, you know, this type of styling works in their case because they're a global girl group. If like we had like a K-pop group trying to just do that straight up only, I don't know how that would work.
Yeah, I feel like definitely the pizzazz of the members themselves. I feel like they are just so attuned to this that it just suits them so well. And again, every song that they've released so far that's coming into this mini album is just so good.
Yeah.
Like this is, I mean, XG has solid discography. You know, like they have just a sound that they're really good at and they know what they're doing, the company knows what they're doing, and I just feel like as long as they keep going at it, like I could just imagine them just becoming more big. So 10 out of 10, once again.
If you like this reaction, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, as well as other videos that we put on our channel. And if you want to have any benefits on our videos, you can join our coffee to be able to submit that.
Yes, if you want to partake in any of our videos like our countdowns, our game videos, our podcasts as well and whatnot, you can do our coffee so you can make requests.